Alright, this is the Fincher 7, and we're gonna see what's inside the fridge!
What's inside the fridge?
With the CreepyPastaObsessor. He's our guest star. Who's that?
Random cat.
It's Mew from Pokemon! No, it's not! Oh, you're just a random cat. You belong in the freezer. You're a freezer kitty. What? Mew!
Poor Mew.
What do we got in the fridge? There's beer in the fridge.
Well, now look at it. He's nice type instead of psychic.
There's guacamole. Coffee creamer. There's pickles. And there's butter.
Butter's awesome.
Wow, this has been. What's inside the fridge?
What's inside the fridge?
What is that? Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the CreepyPastaObsessor on YouTube.